Tonight, mostly clear. Lows. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, southeastern Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Richmond County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, until 6:15 a.m. At 5:51 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Huguenot to Oakwood, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Elizabeth, Flatbush, Bayonne, Todd Hill, Huguenot, the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, Bay Ridge, Port Richmond, Tottingville, Tompkinsville, Bensonhurst, Oakwood, Annandale, New Dorp, and Grasmere. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 a.m. for the following county: Union, New Jersey. Here is the read has been replaced by a flood warning. Please refer to the bulletin for more information. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, southern Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Kings Brooklyn County in southeastern New York, New York Manhattan County in southeastern New York, Richmond Staten Island County in southeastern New York, until 8 a.m. At 6:12 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.75 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Newark, Jersey City, Elizabeth, Bayonne, Hoboken, Plainfield, Linden, Orange, Summit, Lyndhurst, Milburn, Secaucus, Harrison, Todd Hill, Huguenot, the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, Soho, Port Richmond, Kearny and Brooklyn Heights. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. If you are in a basement, be prepared to move to a higher floor. At 6 a.m.,